Hi, meet John. He wanted to start a business, however, confused about how to start a business. From and where do I start? What business should I choose? What legal aspects do I need to consider? What do I need to succeed in a business? How can I hire qualified employees? What other financial responsibilities do I have to take? How much money do I need to get started? And so on. If you are also confused about how to start a business, then keep watching this video. First, you must need to understand your strengths and weaknesses before starting your business. Ask yourself few questions. What can I do better than anyone else can? What resources do I have? What is my unique selling point to sell my products? Where do I lack skills? What might hinder my success? Does my business idea tap into any trends? What is my competition? Does changing technology affect my idea? You must answer these few questions before starting your business. Now ask yourself, what is your business idea? You can find many profitable business ideas on the internet, but follow your passion and skills while selecting any business idea. Better, understand developing your own business idea. Use your skills and talent. Turn your hobby into a business idea. Create any product or service for a specific group of audience. Take up franchise. Buy an existing business. As a startup beginner, you need to research the market on your business niche. Find how big is the market? Who is serving my market? What price can I charge? Is your product better? Is your market innovative? Is your revenue model great? What is your revenue model? Pay per sale? Free to premium? Subscription model? Microtransactions or advertisements? Find out what is your business revenue model. There are many online websites, research tools, search engine and social media sites where you can research your business idea. Understand who, what, and where is the market, where you will serve your product. What operations will you need to deliver your service or product? Think about how much funding you required for starting your business. Calculate projected income, basic outgoings, and profit margin. If you require business loan from investors and banks, then you must need to create a business plan for your business. You need to cover 8 business elements into your business plan. 1. Executive summary, where you need to write short information about your business plan presentation. 2. Business description. Write about your business and product benefits. Keep it short and concise. Use bullet points to represent product benefits and target market. 3. Products and services. Write in-depth information about your business products and services. 4. Sales and marketing. Here you need to write about how you are going to promote your products and services. 5. Operations of your business. 6. Management team and required manpower. 7. SWOT analysis. Write all about strengths and weaknesses of your business. 8. Financial summary. Funding requirements, cash flow, use of funding, and time frame to get business fund. Now, understand process of registering the company. As a beginner, there are 3 types of company structure you need to dive in. 1. Sole trader. One person is the owner. 2. Partnership. 2 or more people own the business. 3. Limited company. Business is separate legal entity. Check your state business administration website for understanding all required documents, business tax registration, license, and legal duties. You must need to focus on registering business patents, trademarks, designs, and copyright of your products and services. Think about your business identity. What is your company name, logo, and tagline? This business entity represents your products and services to your clients, customers, and contacts. Now, understand how to reduce business finance with budgeting techniques. You can start your business from home and use social media tools to market your products and services. Get some funding from family members and friends. Also, work 9 to 5 and start a business as a part-time startup. Calculate your cash flow. How much money you need to pay as a salary. Which type of property you required for your startup. What is the rental cost? Required raw materials or equipment and stock. Do you need website and paid promotion? Get insurance to secure your business. 5 types of insurance you need to worry about. 1. Professional indemnity. 2. Public liability. 3. Business interruption. 4. Employer's liability. 5. Vehicle insurance. And think deeply about all financial elements in your business. Now, this is time to think about your vision board. Write down your business goals, personal aims, places you want to visit, and financial targets. Plan for daily activities. Nowadays, every business required online presence. Therefore, you must need to learn about how to buy domain, hosting, basic business packages, and products landing pages. To avoid any legal issues and business troubles, you need to follow legal considerations. You need to update terms and conditions, privacy policy, sales policy, copyrights, and service availability on your website. If you have advertising budget, then you can start pay-per-click PPC advertising on Google AdWords to find your first customer from your local area. Now, how to make sales. You need to use your communication skills to get your first sale in your business. Make a list of targeted audience or keywords for marketing your products. Make your pitch and make it personal. Meet people who require products that you sell. Make some noise and tell everyone about your products and services. Provide some beginning discounts for first 10 or 50 customers. Make sales materials. If you are running a traditional business, then you can consider traditional marketing channels like business cards, cable TV ads, newspapers, online business directories, and memorable designed business flyers. Well, what is the secret to success in business? The first step to success: understand and learn in-depth information about your products and services, so you can explain exact thing to your customers and business clients. You need to feel confident and think positive. Always be polite and smiling. Make a list of possible questions and answer that most customers ask about your products and services. Learn about business finance. Follow legal rules and regulation. Learn marketing and networking to boost your business sales. And follow up with your clients. If you're expert in your business niche, then you should start educating others about your knowledge. Create tutorial videos, publish a book, broadcast a podcast, produce a short film for tell-all about your product benefits, and deliver essential training to your customers. As a business owner, you must need to create the right first impression when any customer visit your office. You must need good logo and company imagery, professional address and location, telephone answering services, quality printed materials to aware your customers about your products and services, rules and regulations in your business. Create a LinkedIn account, present a professional picture of your business, and build connections. You can also point out your skills on LinkedIn. Start video marketing. YouTube is the world's most popular online video search engine and community. You need to use it as a business tool. Create a YouTube channel and start promoting your product videos and services. Now, let me share 10 business mistakes you must need to avoid. Number 1. Avoiding the market research and location. Number 2. Underpricing or overpricing your product or service. Number 3. Failing to invest in marketing. Number 4. Picking wrong business niche. Number 5. Not listening to advices and customers' problems. Number 6. Trying to avoid legal jargon. Number 7. Failing to learn strengths and weaknesses of your products and services. Number 8. Trying to do everything yourself. Number 9. Starting in bad location. And number 10. Lacking accountability. Every business owner makes mistakes, but the smart one is who learn from mistakes. You need to know 7 business rules as a business owner. Business Rule 1. Give before you take. Business Rule 2. Surround yourself with the best. Business Rule 3. Finish what you start. Business Rule 4. Be true to your customers and prospects. Business Rule 5. It takes money to make money. Business Rule 6. Be true to yourself. And Business Rule 7. Remember, life is short. Most businesses do not become successful in short period. It required dedication, consistent effort, investment, and marketing potential to get success in a long run. You need to keep updated with your business products, industry, and industry trends. Ask your customers and clients about those requirements, suggestions, and feedback about your product and services. Update your business plan regularly according to business trend and market change. Seek professional business mentor to clear your business doubts and troubles. Success is on your way. You just need to take one step ahead and be consistent towards your business goals. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe our channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.